In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Dyson V7. This tutorial will also apply to all V7 models and the V8, since these models have the same bolt location. However, please note that the V7 battery will not fit in a V8. Just an FYI so you don't waste money buying the wrong battery. You'll only need one tool for this job, a Phillips screwdriver, preferably with a magnetic tip. First, locate the 3 bolts that hold the battery. The first 2 is right here underneath the battery, just below the dustbin. You can remove these screws without opening the dustbin, but you'll have easier access to the bolts when you open it. But the downside to opening the dustbin is it will make a small mess. After removing the 3 bolts, slide the old battery out and insert the new one. Before reattaching the screws, perform a test to verify that the battery is working. Usually these batteries come in partially charged. The last step is to tighten the screws, but don't overdo it so it won't strip. If this video has helped you, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY videos.